Stop touching me, bro. Please stop touching me, bro. Move. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
You're done. Go to jail. You are under arrest.
In today's video, I'm going to be reacting to how getting gas turned into a felony by Midwest Safety. What's going on, y'all? Attorney Tom here. Let's jump right into it.
Police pulled over a woman after running her plate and finding out it was suspended.
Stay in the car.
What are you putting me up for?
It shows you're suspended.
I'm not
That's why.
suspended. I just sent out a check. I'm not.
Okay, let me see your driver's license. Let me see your driver's license.
It's nothing to see, bro. It's nothing to see.
Let me see your
I'm
driver's
gonna call my
license.
case manager because I just sent out that check.
Your driver's license and proof of insurance.
Really have a whole
Do you have your driver's license and proof
yes,
of
I do,
insurance?
but you just pulled me
May I
over.
see
What was
it?
your reason for pulling me over?
You feel the signal go around the truck and
No, I
it shows you're
didn't.
suspended.
No, I didn't. You just lied. Watch out.
No,
what are
I'm
you
not watching
doing?
out.
Watch out. Let me close my door.
No, you're not closing.
Let me close my door. You're doing.
Do you have your driver's license, yes
What do
or
you
no?
need my driver's license for?
I'm conducting a traffic stop. That's why. I need to
Well, shut the
identify
door.
who you are. What's your name then? Since you don't have your driver's license.
Who told you I didn't have my driver's license? You just
You haven't produced it.
I don't have to produce it with anything.
Yes,
at the
you
moment.
do.
No, I don't. I pulled him over to get gas.
This is a traffic stop.
I don't care what
You're
it
required
is.
by
I don't
state law
care.
to
I don't
identify
care.
yourself to me. Understand that?
I don't care. I don't.
If you don't
To be quite
identify
frank, I
yourself,
don't.
I'm going to arrest you.
You're not arresting anything. What the f? Like,
Sure about that.
you just. What did you just do? What did you just do? Is this car not in my name? Is it?
I have no idea who you are.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to get in contact with who I need to get in contact with because I have just sent out some papers. So, yeah.
Put the phone away.
What are you telling me to put the phone away
Put
for? And
the
I'm telling
phone
you I'm
away.
calling my case
I don't
manager.
care who you're calling.
No, because
I
this
need to
is
identify you. Put the phone away. Do you have ID or not?
Yes, I do.
I need to see your ID.
Okay, well,
if you don't
can you
show
shut
me
my
your
door?
ID, I will arrest you.
Well, can you shut my door?
No.
I'm about to keep calling until I get a hold of somebody because they just sent the check out to me. There's nothing for me to tell you. I can give you a piece of paper to tell you that they sent the check out, but there's nothing else that I can give you.
Okay, well, I need to see your ID.
If you get pulled over illegally, okay, and the police ask you for your ID, the time to fight that battle is in court. It's not right here, because what's going to happen is if it turns out that the cops legitimately pulled you over because they did have reasonable suspicion to conduct a traffic stop, well, now you could get additional charges for failing to cooperate, failing to identify yourself.
Is that what you're getting, your ID?
No.
Huh? Unless you're getting your ID, quit reaching around the car. Last chance. Come over
I'm
here.
telling you, I'm providing you with my information. That's it. Like,
Do you have your ID or not?
yes, I do, but get the back. Like, you're like I'm in fear for my fucking life. I'm a black woman. You're always shooters. I'm trying to
Hey,
call my
quit
fucking
reaching
whistle.
around the car.
Did you just not tell me to provide you with my ID? Yes
I've
or
been
no?
standing here
Yes
for
or
5
no?
minutes.
Yes or no, right?
Where's it
Yes
at?
or no?
Where is
Yes or no? Exactly. I'm looking for my You're tripping.
Okay, I don't want you looking around the car. Why don't you just give me your info?
Indian. Go ahead. Call away.
Put your
Call
phone away.
I'm not putting my phone away because I'm calling my case manager. I'm not putting anything away. Not gonna tell me I can't call and make a phone call.
What's your name? India?
Indian.
What?
Like I just said, Indian. I try to provide you with the paper. You act like you.
Stop reaching around.
Hey, step out of the
I'm
car.
looking for my ID. The just told me.
Now I'm ordering you out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out
All
of
right,
the
watch
car.
out.
Get out of the
All
car.
right, get out. Watch out. Watch out. So I can lock the door and get out and put my keys in
No,
the
get
car.
out of the car.
What are you doing?
Step
What are you
out.
doing? Why are you
Step
grabbing me? You
out
see
of
this?
the
Why
car.
are you grabbing me?
First, if the police order you out of the car, you have to get out of the car. No ifs, ands, or buts. This is according to the Supreme Court case Pennsylvania versus Mims. Now, when you get out of the car, I do think it's good practice to shut your door because it's going to limit the field of vision that the police can look in. Okay? There's nothing against the law from the police looking into your car from a lawful vantage point to see if they can find anything. Let's just see how this turns out.
I'm trying to call my
Of
case
the
manager.
car.
Why are you grabbing me? Bro, watch out. Why are you
Step
grabbing
out.
me? I'm trying to call my case manager.
I don't know what's in that car, and I don't want you
It's
reaching
nothing in
around.
this car, bro. I'm homeless. What are y'all doing?
Over here.
Bro, this annoying, bro. What are you You still touching me and I'm not
to
touching
the back
you, bro.
of the
This
car.
shit is doing- Watch out. I'm trying to. Watch out. Please stop touching me, bro. Please stop grabbing me up. This shit is insane. Watch out, bro. I'm trying to call my...
Stay right here. Where are you going? Stand right here.
Stop touching me, bro. I'm trying to call my case manager. Move.
All right, just put her in here.
Like, I'm trying to call
Put
my
her in
case
here.
manager. This shit is going around. Put your hands This shit is blowing the out of me, bro.
can't seem to cooperate.
The YWCA. Call the YWCA immediately. I'm not playing with y'all. Call the YWCA. I literally have all my paperwork. Watch out. No,
Why
I'm not
can't you
doing
just
it.
cooperate?
I'm not
This ain't
doing
that
it.
hard.
Bro, this shit is
Stand
annoying.
right here.
I'm sure you've never
Don't
been
move.
homeless before. Don't keep touching me, bro. Don't keep touching me, bro. This shit is annoying.
Let's try this
I already
again.
told you what my name was, bro. This shit is
What's your
unnecessary.
date
You can find that out, can't you? I tried to get you my information, but you didn't want to let me give you my information, so.
What's your date of birth? What is your date of birth?
Bro, I'm trying to calm down right quick. Like this, you already grabbed
I'm
this.
not your bro.
Well, I'm trying to
First of all.
calm down. This trying to calm down. Can y'all stop grabbing me and let me
I've
like.
been trying for the past 10
You have
minutes to
not been trying
identify
to
you.
do nothing. I told you I was giving you my paper. Like the fuck, you took my phone and everything.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like she's confused. You know, having a check with your name on it isn't what they're asking for. They're asking for her identification, and you know, I think she's probably past the point of failing to cooperate, failing to ID, which means the police likely have probable cause to arrest her for that infraction.
Okay, well, I need to use the restroom and some other. Could you walk into the bathroom in here?
This is gonna take a couple minutes, then when you're free to leave, you can go wherever you want, because when you
Okay.
come close, you can use the bathroom wherever you want.
Where are your keys at?
They in the car underneath the seat.
In the car under the seat?
You
The
just-
door's locked.
They're not in your front pocket right there?
Bro, y'all not getting my car. I'm homeless. Y'all is not getting my car. I'm sorry.
Well, we can give you some resources for a homeless.
I have resources, bro. That's what I'm trying to get.
Okay, so let's talk about the police getting in and looking into the car. Actually, you know, it looks like they might be opening the door or looking in the window. I'm going to let this play for a couple seconds before I pontificate on this.
Relax. Why are you slipping this?
Because I need y'all telling me to calm down. Y'all restraining me twice.
I can't. They're locked. I need.
Shit is irritating as bro. Somebody help me. Please help me, bro. I'm homeless.
You're making this a lot worse than it needs to be. Stop.
Because I'm homeless, bitch. Have you been homeless before? You're not going to tell me I'm making this shit a lot worse. Get the here, bro. This is irritating. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Stop. Just relax.
Bro, stop putting pressure on me.
Not.
Then you need to
are.
relax.
I'm telling you, you're putting pressure on me.
You need to
Bro, I need y'all
relax.
to back up, please, bro. Like, please. Please. Like, y'all control this.
You're making this worse than it
Please
is.
let me go, bro. Like, I have anxiety and everything, bro.
Okay.
Do you want to?
Hey, do you want to sit down?
breathe, bro. What's out? I can't breathe. I can't breathe. You're harassing me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Relax. Relax.
I can't breathe, bro.
Okay, relax.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Okay, well, I certainly empathize with her. You know, of course, if she's homeless and this is her home and it's going to be towed away, that's obviously a very sad situation. Okay, I'm not trying to diminish that, but my job is to be the lawyer and break this down. And so I want to point out the police going through the car. Why can they go through the car? They go through the car because she's being arrested. So once you're arrested, they have probable cause to arrest somebody. They can conduct something called a SITLA, a search incident to a lawful arrest. Now, when you conduct a SITLA, you are allowed to search the person, check their pockets, check the things that are in their immediate vicinity. If there's a car involved, they're allowed to search through the passenger compartment of the car.
Why don't you come sit down so you're not standing up?
Bro, because y'all gonna keep holding me while I'm sitting down. There's nothing in here, bro. Can y'all let me go then? Can I grab my phone and y'all let me go?
Let me let you go. Yeah, you can take your phone.
Bro, what the f? No. Y'all did not even ask me to search my car.
Yes, so we do have confirmation that they are searching the car. Why are they searching the car? And can they search the car without consent? Well, they probably have two avenues that I think might be appropriate for them to search the car. Number one is she is being arrested. She just hasn't been informed yet. They have probable cause because she's failing to identify herself. And they are performing something called a SITLA, search incident to a lawful arrest. However, in the alternative, they have also identified that they are going to tow the car. So maybe it's not a SITLA, and if it's not a SITLA, what they're doing is something called an inventory search. So they can inventory what is in the car because they are going to tow the car.
Yeah, it's coded
That's how I
inventory.
do.
And there you go. The police straight up said this was for inventory.
Can you help me, please, sir? Can you please help me, bro? I'm homeless. I'm homeless, bro. Y'all I swear to God, I'm homeless, bro. I need so much help, bro. Please help me. Please help me, bro. Please help me, bro. Please help me. What is y'all putting me in the back of the police car, bro? I can't breathe. I can't breathe, bro. What's wrong? Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I have my keys. Y'all told me I could keep them.
No, we did not.
Yes, I did, bro. Please, bro. I swear to God, I cannot lose my car, bro. I don't have anywhere else to go. I don't have anywhere else to go, bro. I can't go anywhere else, bro.
Just sit in the car and be an adult. Let's go.
I don't have nothing in there but clothes. The f I'm home is nothing but clothes.
Yeah, okay, so according to the police officer, they're still planning on letting her go at this point. They're just inventorying the car, and they're going to let her take what's in the car. They're just taking the car. Couple things. One, the police can lie. Maybe that's not the case. Two, I empathize with her. I mean, she's clearly very distressed, and you know, this is, I mean, the car is her home, but you know, I would be doing a disservice. You know, my job is to talk about the law and the criminal procedure and the justification of this all, so you can learn your rights.
You just said you was on my car, bro. I don't have anywhere to go. Don't you get that?
Is there
Do you not get that?
Is there somewhere?
No. Please don't take my car, bro. Please stop touching me, bro, because I'm not trying to spit on you, bro. And I know that's assault, bro. Watch out. Stop touching me, bro. Please stop touching me, bro. Move. Stop touching me. Stop. Stop touching me.
You're done. Go to jail. You are under arrest. You hear me? You're under arrest.
I don't give a
Yeah, so obviously they're not going to let her go now. She just assaulted the police. If they didn't have probable cause before, which they probably did for other things, they certainly have probable cause now for assault, both the kicking and the spitting. You know, obviously it's just making the situation worse because now they're going to charge her and probably with a felony.
Get a spit hood in there. Get a spit hood out of that glove box. Give me that hobble.
move. I can't breathe, bro.
Your face.
Let go.
I can't breathe.
Nancy, stop spitting on people.
Bro, I can't breathe.
We have an ambulance here.
So send them because I can't breathe.
We're here.
Okay, so get off of me, bro. My arms is bleeding and everything.
Got it.
You gotta calm down, and your breathing's gonna get better, I promise. We're gonna help you out. You just gotta be cool. And,
Okay, bro. I'm in restraints everywhere. Like this. Please,
well, you
man.
can't be fighting with people, all
Cause he
right?
just lied. He just lied,
If
bro.
you're cool, we'll all be cool, all right?
Okay, I'm cool, bro.
All right, I appreciate that. I'm the ambulance, so.
Okay, I just need you to check me out. This
All
shit
right,
is
no
annoying.
problem.
I need to make a phone call.
You're not
No
gonna get
problem.
out right now.
I'm
You're not
not talking to you. Shut up.
All right,
I'm
so
not talking to you.
Look, I'm gonna bring my
Fuck
monitor
y'all
over
fake helping
here.
Me and shit. Watch out.
I'll be
This shit is
back,
irritating
okay?
as f- I know y'all can't take me out these cuffs. I'm laying shit.
17.
Stop touching your
Stop
mask.
touching me. Stop
I'm
touching
telling
me.
you one more time.
Back. Get the fuck back. Pussy ass.
Spitting on us.
Get the fuck back.
How about no?
Fuck out of here.
Yeah.
Pussy ass.
Yeah, well, you're in the back of the car, huh?
Yeah, cause you can't fuck with me.
All right, dear.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Is you retarded?
Stop
Do you
that.
not understand English?
I do.
Do not touch me.
Stop.
That's why I touched my hands on you the first time. You don't really want it. I swear to God you don't. Don't touch me again.
Yeah.
You keep doing that on the slide, I will serve both of y'all. I swear to God.
You realize
I
you're
swear
getting
to
charged with
God.
calling a PO,
I
right?
swear to God. I don't care.
All right.
I don't care. I don't.
Suspect was charged with driving under suspension, simple assault, and assault on a police officer. She is innocent until proven guilty.
Okay, so she was charged with driving under suspension, simple assault, and assault on a police officer. At least 2 of those 3 could have been avoided had she been pulled over and correctly known her rights and, you know, just not not engaged in what we just saw. Now, with respect to the police officers, they pulled her over because they ran her plates. They almost certainly could run her plates because she was in public. That gave them reasonable suspicion to conduct a traffic stop. Upon conducting that traffic stop, she failed to identify herself. Because she failed to identify herself, they asked her out of the car, which they had every right to do. They towed the car, inventory exception, and then, of course, she assaulted them. Everything that I saw was probably done correctly. If I was the defense lawyer here, I probably would advise my client as much and seek. Hopefully, they're lenient with respect to a plea. All right, y'all. That's it for today's video. Bye.
Big verdict.